In the heart of UK's manufacturing hub, where productivity once shaped the landscape, a paradigm shift unfolded. Faced with the challenge of reducing sales due to COVID-19 crisis, a renowned manufacturing brand turned to us. So their mission was to transform their sales prediction and revenue generation process, making it more data-driven and efficient. And our solution was an AI-based automation solution meticulously designed to predict market demand and order quantity with high accuracy based on order history, old records, and product information. And the result: improved accuracy in sales prediction, optimized usage of resources, and reduced operational costs, and better alignment with their clients' demand. So we did not just create a sales prediction model, we transformed a traditional manufacturing unit into a data-driven enterprise, laying the groundwork for a smarter and more efficient business. So discover how we can redefine your business landscape and contact us. Until then, innovate, integrate, and accelerate.